Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can change or replace the new battery to sharp air conditioner remote control. Okay, and to change the new battery, now let's check on the back of the remote control, and you will see this is the cover of your battery, and you will see this point, the arrow, and apply pressure to it and take it out. Okay, and you can see there's two battery inside. You can take out one by one, and it used the AAA size battery. And now put the new battery, follow it instruction. Okay, and another one. Okay, and now insert back the cover and put it to that location and slide it back. Turn on the air conditioner. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change or replace the new battery to sharp air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.